everyone. We got the Thomas game. Look at the back. Well, I can't wait to open it. I'm so excited. I gotta prepare it in. I put the video back. I get everything on the table. So guys, I'm back. This was the Thomas set. It was so hard to build. I gotta put the thing on the bottom and stick the Thomas on there and put the stickers on it. You see it? And this is his best friend in the back right here. You got a face right there. You can spin because I put a card in it. Well, I show you the other stuff. Wait. So guys, you bring cards. Is this backwards? Oh no. You bring cards. Cards. You get one, you have a sticker right here. And see where's so let's see. So this is the thing you put on the back of the truck. For now, let's go put this thing. And you have to be careful so these things don't fall. If this thing falls, you have to be careful. I spin this and these little things, I spin it and these things fall down, so you lose the game. But I'm sure I'm gonna win. You can play with two people or one people. I want to play because it's a new game. So this is the cards. So there's Thomas' house. So we put it with the green place. The yellow place. And the red place. Guys, so I put the cards in, right? I put it in, you can't lose the game. But the only thing is drawing the best. So I'm just telling you, it's less a game. So it's only a game to play. And relax. You lose, it's only a game. There is the other card. So guys, I got it all prepared. See? You see? They're all prepared. So guys, so if you're there, right? Just play the game. Let's see, I gotta win. I want to win. So whatever get the most cards, they win the game. So I'm gonna start first. I got red. So the red comes right here. We have to go there first. Red. We have to deliver a red thing. That's a red thing, so it belongs right here. Let's see the other card. The other card is green. So we spin this thing and go and you spin to Thomas, and you see that is green, so it belongs here. So you see blue. So we had to put blue on the place. Okay, hold this and spin it with the blue. The blue comes with the blue space. And this is the other card. Purple, right? We spin this Thomas and put the purple where it belongs. So we had to put a little bit more. I got more up there. Wait for a second. I got it. You see? I got even more. So guys, I don't want to control myself, so here we come. So I put one of those in, one of this, and one of that in, and be careful with it right there. Let's burn it. Let's see what we got. Yellow. So we got 2 yellow. So let's spin it to the yellow. So we give this 2 yellows right here. Whatever get the most color here right here. I'm sorry. This is the next color. Orange. The next color is orange. And we got 2 orange. So let's spin to orange and put 2 orange over here on this side. So the yellow got 2, the red got 1, the purple got 1 too, and the green got 1. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna spin Thomas. Let's see which color we get this time. All the red right here. All the blue right here. All the green right here. And all the purple. Yeah. So I guess the green, the blue, the yellow, the red, the purple, and the orange wins. But it's only the last ones. There's 2 lost. That means so all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces of this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, what's the other one? Orange, green, yellow, blue. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was right. So this is his home. So far. So guys, this is the end of the video. Subscribe. There's still more videos left. So you want to see it? See my channel. Bye.